Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today today is a new day and we'll just talk about the FII and DI activity. The FII is about 2,962 crores and DI cash is 252 crores. So and future index is 550 crores. So yesterday what happened was the FII cash was in green. Okay, today the FII cash is in red, but yesterday still even when it was in green, the the market went down by 170 points. Okay, so what we need to imply is whether the trend of the market is changing or if any pattern is changing, so we need to keep an eye. So today, though it is showing in red, FII, it's showing us 2,962 crores. We can just keep our fingers crossed and we can expect a positive move uh, today, and we can see that let's see whether we get to see a positive move or a breakout or a recovery of Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I hope that it touches Nifty touches 18,000 and Bank Nifty touches 40,000. Okay, so what I've learned is that Nifty call at least if suppose Nifty call goes down by, I'll just make a video. I'll just share with you what I do exactly. So Nifty call, if I choose this option, Nifty call, 24th March, 17,700 call. Okay, so this is 21 rupees and 85 paise. So what I am planning to do is I am planning to take, suppose for example, the market opens in red, so 21.85. I will try to uh, let's say by say 40%. So 13.11. So I'll try to buy this at. I'll keep this at 13.11, 13.11 or 13.15. Okay, and keep two lots. Okay, and I'll see if it goes through. Okay. So think of, the thing is that if I take this 1335, okay, and I take 40% of out of it, if I take 40% out of it, what could happen is uh, it could be very slow. Okay, but I can just try doing that. I can instead of that, I can try this 1335. Also, I can try to 40%. I'll take out 40%. 8.01, so 8.01 and 8.05 I'll take. Okay, and two lots I'll take, and I'll go for this. Okay, and I'll cancel that okay, the message in Paytm is the fun fact: you're paying the lowest brokerage fees you possibly could. Rupees 0 on delivery orders and 10 on intraday future and option order. Okay, so this is about message from Paytm. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just cancel this the first one. Okay, we'll just try and see if this goes through. Okay, in the opening of the day. So this starts, when this starts. Okay, one other pattern I've seen is that for BTSD traders, if suppose somebody is doing BTSD trades, one day in a week, you get a very good chance of doing a BTSD trade. I do not know. You'll have to check it out. You'll have to maybe research and you'll have to go through the trend. One day or 2 days, you get a very good BTSD opportunity. So if anybody is trying for BTSD, the benefit of BTSD is that for example, you get 200 points or 150 points when the market opens. Okay, and both ways, either positive or negative. So suppose this opens in positive, sorry, opens in positive, it is 150. Suppose it opens in positive, like say 150 means it opens in a gap up, so it goes 150 points up, and rest of the day it goes by 60 points up. So it is about 210 points up. So in BTSD, it is better to do BTSD trade because in one go you get a good opportunity of scoring good amount of money. Okay, so this is the option what we have for it. So suppose it opens in the minus, so it's about minus 210. Okay, so if it opens in red, so any which ways we can see what we have to do in this. Okay, so the plan of action is we'll have to see for trend lines, or we'll have to see where we can get 40-50 points. Okay, so right now the current index is, I'll just check the current index. It's about 17,117. Let's see if it goes up, or if it recovers from here, or if it goes down. Okay, mostly it should recover. We should expect always to recover, even though even though I put mostly on put option, I expect the market to recover because lot of traders have invested in the stocks, and so I hope that the market recovers and it touches bank nifty touches 40,000. So this is 36,000. We have to keep a track of this index because the index, how the index moves. Okay, usually what we do is we usually keep an eye on how much points has gone up or how much points has gone down. But we need to keep an eye on index. What is happening in the index? If this goes down by 500 points, so it comes to about 35,500. So if this is 36,018, so 36,018 and minus 500. Okay, so it goes to 35,000. So we have to keep a track of this index. Okay, so bank nifty, it's very volatile and it will move very quickly by 100 200 points or 150 points, so we have to keep a track of that. Okay, I will show you how to, I'll do a trade on bank nifty also. We'll see how it works. Okay, and so this is the thing of bank nifty. And if Nifty is 36,018. So if Nifty 36,018 minus, say it goes down by 200, so it is 35,818. Okay, 35,818. Okay, we'll just check the resistance and see what is the support and what is the resistance. Okay, so we'll just go to this and see if the chart opens. Okay, so this is the pivot point. So pivot point is about 36,436, and just see, and the support support. So today there should be a buying option because it's crossed the support in the pivot point. If you see the pivot point, it is crossed the support. It is right at the bottom, 35,972. Okay, so it's right at the bottom. We'll just check the RSI. We'll just check the RSI and see what it says. So 8. So we'll do this 8. Okay, so what is the RSI saying? RSI is still on the top. It's about 54. RSI is showing us 54. So if you check this line, the black line in the bottom, so that is showing us 54 RSI. Okay, so sometimes when the RSI, so we can, it's right in the middle, so there's a, there could be a chance of market opening in a positive, and okay, so this is the thing. So day before yesterday, so today let's see what the market could bring. So this is the bank nifty. Okay, this is the nifty. This is 17,000. 117. So if it goes down by say 200 points, or if it goes up by 200 points, 17,117 plus 200, so it comes to 17,317. If it goes minus 200, so it goes to 16,917 if it opens up in minus. Okay, so if it opens up in minus, still you can expect the market to move positively in the morning. Okay, it will not go to 250. If it opens at 200, it will not go to 250, it would come to 150. It should come to 150 or 170. Okay, 170. So this is how the market works. So we need to have all these things in mind, and don't forget to watch this, the performance tab, okay, and the market depth. So suppose you're taking this, so this is the market depth. It will update once the market opens. So market depth and this performance tab, it's very helpful. Performance tab, whichever broker you have your account with, you can just check the performance tab, and you can check the market depth. You get a little bit of idea as to whether the market is where the market is opening, or what is the, if there's a balance. If there's a balance between the left hand side and the right hand side of the market depth, then what could happen is the market would go sideways. If the market is more inclined towards the left hand side, then the market could go up. If it is more inclined towards the right hand side, then the market could go down. Then the performance tab, then you can always check what is the previous high. You can check this line in the blue indicator here, this blue line, blue indicator you can see. So you can expect it to, you know, come at least, if you suppose you put the, if you are doing a scalping, and if you are putting the money here close to 12, between 12:10 and 13:35, so you can expect it to, go up. But we'll have to see how the market opens, because it's a call option. So if the market opens in negative, then we'll have to cut out 40% out of this, because it will, the call price will decay very quickly. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to cut off 40%, and then we can just expect it to grow. So usually what happens is this price goes down even by 50% also. So we have to we have to do it when we are dealing with out of money. We have to keep it very careful. We have to be very careful. And if we are there's also one more out of the money option. This is the very lowest. But if your budget is little bit on a higher side, what you can do is you can go for a closer one out of the money. This is 17,117. So you can go for 17,300. So 17,300, 17,300 call. So 17,300 is 114. Okay, 7,350 will try. 350. So this will come to 203. 17,400. 17,400. 79. So this is something you can work on. This also fluctuates very quickly. Okay, so in this also you can make money if your budget is slightly high on the higher side. But just when it opens, you have to be a little careful, because when it opens, either it goes by 30 or 40%, it goes up or down. So if it's 79.50, and if it goes down, so it goes down by 79.50 into, if it goes down by 40%, say 50%, so it comes to 39.75. Okay, so for example, uh, you have to be, wherever you put the money in, you have to be a little careful, like because the options decay very quickly. So this is 3,975. Okay, so you need at least 3,975 to for one lot. Okay, and suppose you do this, if suppose it goes down, so what you can do is 39.75. You can put 39.75. 39.75. See the difference. You can see the difference. See right on the left hand side bottom. If you see, I'll show you again. Okay, right in the left hand side bottom, you can just watch. Okay, 79.50. Okay, so what is the this? It is 39,075. Okay, and if you minus it by 40%, so say 39 is the 40%, so 39, so it comes to 1950. Okay, 79.50 is 3950, so we'll just put here 3950 minus so suppose you are not putting at 79, you are expecting it to go down, and it is 3950, so 1950 minus 1950, so you are saving about 2000 rupees. You're saving about 2000 rupees, so you need to work this out, because options decay and you can play with the decay. Okay, don't have to be worried or worried about the decay. You can always put on, if you're a little bit apprehensive about placing a trade, you can put 20% less or 40% or 50% less, and you can work that out. You can also put price alerts. So suppose you don't want to put this money, you want to put a price alert, so what you can do is you can put a price alert of 39. Your target price is 39.50, so once it hits, you can you put a price alert. Okay, once it hits, then you know that it does it. You can play with this also. You can observe the market for some time, and you can play with this. Okay, so the market has opened today, so we'll just check what is the status. So okay, it is 120 points. See how it works. So we'll just see. Okay, 120 points. So yesterday what happened was, I didn't take a lot of risk. This is my I have put so much money in this, 3217. This is the amount I have put for investing. I have not put big amount. Okay, I have traded in more amount also. I have traded in higher amount also. Sorry, I'm traded in higher amount also, but now I'm not trading in higher amount. I'm just trading with out of the money. I'm working with the risk management factor. I'm also trying to understand the risk management. So what happened was yesterday, um, I did a mistake, and it was 130 rupees. I 130 rupees short. Okay, 130 rupees went in red. So today what I'm trying to do is, today I didn't do much trading. I'll try to just recover some part of it. Okay, I'll just try to recover, say maybe 130 or more or less, whatever. Okay, so my main target is expiry day. Expiry day, I'll try to see if how much I can earn. Okay, so this is moving. The market has started at 9.2, and this is moving at so let's see how it works. Okay, so what was the this FI cash is 2962 crores, and DI cash is 252. So let's see how it so we'll see if it goes in positive. Nifty always moves towards the positive. So BSE Sensex is already at, it's moving towards positive. So let's see, because what, maybe they have changed, maybe the pattern has changed, the market pattern has changed. Okay, maybe this indicator is showing in negative FII cash, so this will go in positive. Okay, so these are a lot of screens actually for mutual funds, and invest in IPO portfolio. A lot of screens are there, so you can invest. Okay, so this is a global market. So global market, Dow Jones was 201, Nasdaq was 55. So why do we have this global market? Because sometimes we can check if there is any pattern related to global market. Okay, we need to just check for patterns. If you find any pattern, start trading. If you don't find any pattern, just leave it. Don't trade. It is as simple as that. Yesterday I just made a small mistake. I could have avoided the 130 rupees. This less is the I went in red, 130 in red, but I could have avoided that by just removing the money as quickly. But I just waited. I don't know why. I just waited for some more time. I thought I'll wait for some more time, and then it went down. So I should have tried to remove the money quickly, because the what I do is when I put 40% less or 20% less, try to remove within 10 seconds. I don't wait for a long time. So this is Nifty. So this is expiry date 24th March, 31st March, 7th April, 13th April, 21st April, 28th April, 5th May. This is all expiry date. Okay. So for option trading. So we'll just go back and see where the Nifty is heading to. Okay. So here right at the top, on the left hand side top, it is showing a time as to how much time is there the market to open. So market will open at around about 9 minutes are there still. BSE Sensex is about almost down by 100 points. So what we can do is we can expect this to go down. So instead of 8, what I'll do is 13.35. So Nifty is what? Nifty is about Nifty is almost 12. 12 in. We'll see how this goes. Nifty. You have to keep checking the index and check as to whether it will go in the positive or negative. I if Okay, it's going in the positive side. So I felt that because yesterday what happened was the market usually what happens is previously if for FII cash was 2,962 crores, then the market would be in red. So now the pattern has changed. So now what is happening is, though even though FII cash is showing in red, the market is showing in the green. So market is on a verge of recovery. So we'll expect the market to recover. So still how much time is left? I will just check that. It's about 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So usually sometimes what happens is, the market starts with green, if you see this, what I'm moving the screen here, if the market starts with green, still it could go in the negative side. It will go towards the negative side. So we have to keep our fingers crossed. We should and right when it opens, it is very quick. So we'll see how this thing works. So and Bank Nifty is 4290. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is tricky when it opens, so I usually don't use Bank Nifty. I usually use Nifty 50. You can make a lot of money through Nifty 50 also, because it is very straightforward, and Bank Nifty sometimes the range is very big, so to keep a track of the range, it becomes a tedious job. So right now, okay, the market is still 6 minutes are there. So I'll just check if my first trade goes through. Okay, we'll just check. Okay. So what I've done is I've done this by 40%. So this is 40%. So I'm just thinking whether I should let it be at 40%. I don't want to take a lot of risk. If the trade doesn't go through, it's okay. But then I don't want to take risk. or should I do it at 50%? So should I do it at 50%? 8 13.35 13.35 into 50%, that is 6.8 6.7 6.7. So let's see, 6.7, 50% will keep. We'll see how, if it gives a good increase. Okay, 50% we keep. Sometimes I even keep at 60% also. So this is how you play with the market. Still 5 minutes are there. Still 5 minutes are there. This is suppose you are doing intraday. These are top gainer, top loser, yearly high. Then movers by volume, value, movers by volume. These are all little bit of data which it shows. So usually top losers are the better ones. You can go for it, because what happens is in top losers, next day maybe the market, maybe they will catch up. So that is also an option. And this is MRF. MRF is 67,248. MRF 67. So if you go to do an intraday trade with MRF, it is about this is a delivery. Suppose you are going to buy the share, it is about 68 or 69,000 something, and if you want to trade in this, it's about 13,460. So that is MRF. So we'll just see whether this goes through. And I'm just trying to show you a live trade. Let's see whether we are successful in that. Still a lot of time to go through. Still 4 minutes are there. 3 minutes. So I hope this goes through. If the trade doesn't go through, then I'll just stop this video. I will just come back to you later on. These are top losers. Top gainers are Oribundo Pharma, Vedanta, Coal India, Hindalco Industries, Jindal Steel. Then Cipla, UPL, ONGC, HDFC Bank. These are all top gainers. Okay. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. This is our favorite, paytm. Paytm is trending at 565. Hope this recovers. Tata Motors also had gone down, but now it's recovered. If you see the yearly performance, it had gone down to 268. Now it's trending at 428. Then Adani is 394. So what was the lowest? Lowest was its year. Lowest yearly performance 227. Adani. Then Tata Teleservices 144. So let's see how this thing 7670, if it catches up. I'll just close the screen. Then okay, 1 minute left. Should I do it to 60%? I just thinking 60%. Should I do it to 60%? No, it's 50%. Should I do it to 60%? No, I'll just leave it to 50% and see. 50% is good. Thank you for your support. Thank you for listening to this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll try to get you some good stuff, something different. 24 seconds, 23, 22, 21 seconds. Let's see. So Nifty is, it should be very quick. 10 seconds maybe I'll get. Okay, 9.75, 9.3, 9, 8.6. Okay, okay, 8.35, 7.78, 7.9. Okay, 8, 7.8, 7.7, 7.8, 7.75. So it is about 40%. It took out 40%. I kept it at 50%, but it took 40%. Not bad. So it is opened at 27.31. So 8. Let's see whether it takes. Okay. 7.85, 7.9, 7.7, 7.55, 7.55, 7.50, 7. Bank Nifty is down by 160, 68. It is 170, and this is. Let's see whether it takes this. It will. I'll have to just keep it for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I'll have to get it out. Okay, I've done this to just to show like how I trade usually. It is a little different from what others do. So if it takes. I think I'll have to wait for some more time. 7.85. If I put it at 7.85 now, there are chances of something different happening. So I'll just keep it to 6.7. I'll see if it takes, then it's good. If it doesn't take, it's fine with me. Eight point two. 8.1. Okay, so it's taking time. So what I'll do is I'll wind up for now, and I hope you like this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And this is a very good method, but this method, just keep it for 10 seconds. Don't keep it for more than 10 seconds because it quickly goes up, and then again the trend changes, so you have to be a little careful. So uh, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.